Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix not registered on network. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your settings on the Android phone. Once you will do it, now from here you have to click on the network and the internet, and from here you have to click on the mobile network. Once you will click on it, you will see different options here. Simply you have to click on the preferred network type, and you have to select the first one, 4G, 3G, 2G auto. So try this one, maybe your problem will be solved. Other way is that you can simply reset your network settings, maybe it will fix. Otherwise simply use the airplane mode, or you can simply bring your SIM card from your phone and put it again in your phone. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.